Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to change your Discord status to online using your mobile device, you're in the right place. Whether you want your friends to know you're active or just want to show you're available for a chat, updating your status on Discord is quick and easy. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to set your status to online on your mobile app. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once the app is open, look towards the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open your user settings and profile options. Next, you'll notice a small status icon right on your profile picture. Tap on that icon to bring up the status menu. Here, you'll find several options like online, idle, do not disturb, and invisible. To appear active and available to your friends, select the online option. Once you tap online, your status will immediately update, and your profile picture will show the green dot that indicates you're online. This lets everyone know you're ready to chat or join a game. It's a simple way to stay connected and let people know you're around. Changing your Discord status on mobile is that straightforward. Just remember these 3 key steps. Open Discord, tap your profile picture at the bottom right, and then tap the status icon to choose online. Whether you're using an Android or iPhone, the process is the same and takes just seconds. Now you can easily manage your presence on Discord anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying connected with your friends on Discord.